Alright, here's the view out of my windshield of my old beat up wood truck. As you can probably hear, it's barely running. Anyway, I'm going to go up here and show you guys my next two little projects I'm going to pick up. Not going to be very easy. It's kind of in pieces. But anyway, when I get up there, I'll give you some close-ups. Here's one of the many little old rusty iron things that old Dave here has laying around. I'll give you a better view. This place makes my place look nice. So anyway, I thought I'd show you this old cat here. I'll get pictures of this other stuff here in just a minute. Alright, here's a little look at these projects that I got picked up here. Not that one, I wish. Maybe later. This cab up here. See, we got a cab, some hoods, fenders, the front end to it right there. And then over here, I got this one here. So, no rear end. That's going to be fun getting out of here. It's pretty rough, parts and pieces, but you know, there's three of them. So out of three of them, guy should be able to make something. Looks like some decent running boards, fenders. I think this one's even missing a spindle here. You know, spindle, just the wheel, everything, brake drum, no rear end. It's got to go up there on the road. That one's pretty close to the road. This should be fun. So here'd be the box to it. And here's another frame. At least it's got everything attached. Shouldn't be too hard to get this one out. It's just got to go out that way. So it's going to be some work. Another hood. Well, I think that's the parts and pieces that's going to run that that's going to put that Cadillac engine in. And I think this is obviously the cab I'm going to go with. Right here. Yeah, that's the cab. Okay, so when I was up there looking at my rat rod parts and pieces, I also picked up these. So these are going to be my headlights for the rat rod, and there's an extra bucket, headlight bucket there. So, but there's my headlights. I'm not sure. I think I might adapt these and maybe some tail lights. I think we'll see. We'll see how it works anyway. So, anyway, there are a couple more pieces to my rat rod. And I also picked up this grill here. I'm not even sure what it's off of, an old fan or something. I don't know, maybe if you guys recognize it, let me know. I imagine it's like an old industrial generator or something that was shroud over the fan or something. I don't know, but I'm about half tempted to use it on my rat rod, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just go with one of those 48 Ford grills instead and chop it up out there in front of the radiator. I don't know. So the wind wind blew the other day, Dave says, and this was the outcome of this here tree. Been growing through the Quonset hut for all these years. I'll get up above and get another picture of it, but yeah, it landed straight down all those buildings. Couldn't have got on them better. Alright, here's another look at that tree. Come out, fell in that Quonset hut, went right down the building. That'll be a fun chore to get off.